Hey guys, what's up? So today is 26th of September and the stocks which we are going to analyze are IndusInd Bank and Mahindra. So let me tell you that both the stocks have been analyzed on a weekly time frame. So these are going to be positional trades. Like these trades can take more than few months to achieve the targets, but the setups which we are looking at are very promising, and let's dive into the analysis and let me explain you why I'm considering both the stocks. So first of all, this is the chart of IndusInd Bank on the weekly time frame. As I informed you previously that I'm going to analyze both the stocks on weekly time frame. So we can see that the stock was in a good down trade, and this was the COVID fall. And after the COVID fall, as we all know, the markets are recovering quite sharply and the stock is seen in an uptrend from here. So now what are the breakouts which IndusInd Bank have given us is, so first of all, on the weekly time frame, on the major time frame, it has given us a breakout of a broadening wedge pattern. So if I draw a trend line like this and an other trend line like this, we can see that IndusInd Bank has given a breakout of a broadening wedge pattern. So we have previously traded on this pattern and this pattern is quite promising. You can see the breakout candles volume is also quite high as compared to the other volumes, and that is also one point we should consider why are we taking this trade. So this is the first point. On the weekly time frame, it has given a breakout of the broadening wedge pattern. Let me just erase these trend lines and take you to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame as well, it has given a breakout of a symmetrical triangle pattern. So if I draw a trend line like this and an other trend line like this, we can see that the stock has given a breakout of a symmetrical triangle. Also note the volume of the breakout candle is quite good, and also there was a gap up opening on the breakout candle. So that is considered to be very bullish on this trade. So this is the second point why we are considering this trade. And again, just a small confirmation which is supporting our analysis is, if as you guys know that I use Fibo tool very frequently, and I think that is a very good tool to consider the retracements. So if I draw a Fibonacci tool from the highest point to the lowest point and consider 0.5 level as the, you know, whenever the stock is falling down and it retraces till the 0.5 levels and again continue its downtrend, then it is considered to be a healthy retracement, and there are high chances that the stock will continue its downtrend. But here we can see that the stock resisted the 0.5 levels, but it did not break its trend line over here. It took a support and again went up and broke the 0.5 levels as well. So I was waiting for a weekly candle to give a close on the 0.5 levels, and now it has given a close on the 0.5 levels, which I am considering as a weak downtrend and a good start for a good uptrend. So this was it, guys. This was my analysis on IndusInd Bank, and these are the 3 points we are considering before taking trade in IndusInd Bank. If I talk about the RR ratio, so guys, if we get entry anywhere between 1100 to 1160, we can obviously keep our stop loss around this level, that is 940 950 levels, and we can achieve an RR ratio of more than 1 is to 2 1 is to 3 easily, because if this stock gives us a good momentum after the breakout, then this is going to go huge and we can wait for this stock to achieve a target of approximately around 1600 to 700 1700 levels. So this is what I'm expecting this stock to do. And the other stock which I am talking about is Mahindra and Mahindra. So please note that Mahindra and Mahindra has not given us any breakout, but I'm expecting in the coming week we can expect a breakout of this stock. So this is also going to be on the weekly time frame and daily time frame. So this is the chart of Mahindra and Mahindra, and the stock has formed a very good pattern, and that is a cup and handle pattern. So if I draw a cup like this, and let me zoom in, and if I draw a handle like this, just a minute, yeah, like this, we can see that Mahindra and Mahindra is on the verge of giving a good breakout. I would consider that the stock has not given a breakout still, but I feel that in the coming week we can expect a good breakout because it has formed a quite bullish candle on the weekly time frame, and we can definitely expect a breakout, and we can take an entry in Mahindra and Mahindra after the breakout is given. And obviously this is a support zone which I have drawn, and we have to keep our stop loss just below it, and we can expect a target, the first target of obviously around 950 to 960 levels. And if this zone is broken, we can see a good up move from here in Mahindra and Mahindra, and we can hold this stock for few months to just uh, increase our profits, and we should just trail our stop losses and try to achieve maximum profits, as much profits as we can book. And also one more thing, that we have a quite small stop loss over here, so even if Mahindra and Mahindra comes down from here, we are going to give small stop loss. And yeah, this is going to be a good RR ratio as we are entering in this stock before the breakout of the cup and handle pattern. And this was it, guys. This was my analysis on Mahindra and Mahindra and IndusInd Bank. I hope you have liked my video. I know videos are coming very irregular, but guys, I am trying to, get the best stocks, best analysis which I can find to you, and I hope you like it. Keep supporting, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you so much.